Hi, today we are going to see how to edit videos in Windows 10 without using any third-party softwares. We will see how to trim a video, merge the video, add background audios, and even add titles to it. So let's get started. So for the purpose of this video, on my desktop I have a folder named sample video. We will be using this video which I have downloaded from YouTube for the purpose of editing in this tutorial. So to get started, as I mentioned earlier, we don't need any third-party software. We can do this with a Photos app that comes default in Windows 10. So to edit this video, I'll just right click on this video and I'll go to open with Photos. Now you'll see that this Photos app is playing our video. So now to trim this video, all I need to do is I'll go to this edit and create option in the right corner, in the top right corner, and I'll click on trim. So now our Photos app has opened the video in a trimming mode. So all I need to do now is I just need to drag this white thing from where I want to start my video, like from where I want to start my trimmed video. Let's say I want to start it at 30 seconds and I want it to be of length of 20 seconds. So I'll drag it for 20 seconds and I can see my new video here. So if I take this blue pointer and put it to the starting and I click play, I see my new video runs for the period of 20 seconds here. So that's it. So now we need to save this trimmed video and let's name it trimmed for 20 seconds here. So now Photos app will export the video and we'll have our trimmed version saved in the same folder where we had our initial video. So now if I open this, I am seeing my trimmed video of 20 seconds duration here. That's some beautiful sound there. Okay, so for the purpose of creating or merging the videos, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a copy of this video so that we have our part 1 and part 2, which we can merge later on. So I'm gonna name this as 1 and then I'm gonna name this as 2. Okay, so now to create a new video, which is like a video merged from these two videos, we'll open the Photos app and we'll click again on a new video project. You can title your project anything as like my short video. Now you can add any clips you want to add here. So let's add both the clips we created earlier to our project. Now if we are creating a video for any purpose, we need to add titles to it. So this Photos app also allows us to add titles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and add a title card, and if I want to add text to it, I need to click on this text thing, and it helps us create text and add title in different formats. So I'll just add my title, my initial video, and I'll click done. So now if you go and play the video, you'll see this lovely slide appear there. Okay, so now now that we have our title in place, let's add our clip to it. So now you can see our total length of the video is 23 seconds, 3 seconds for the title and 20 seconds for our original video clip. So now I have my video with the title and the clip in it. You can add multiple titles wherever you want. Just so that you can have a second title. And let me give it a different layout. Let's say I want it after my first slide, like my first video clip, and then I can add another video clip here. So now our total video duration is of 46 seconds, which has our second title and our first title in it. Yeah, so that's like adding basic titles to it. You can also add custom audio files in the background. You can just like add the audio file selected from your PC and add it there. I'm not going into details of that in this video, but if you want to see how to add audio files, let me know in the comments and I can make a separate video on that. So that's it. So once we are satisfied with the results, we'll click on finish video here. We can select the size or the dimension in which we want to export. I'll select 1080p as that's the recommended one, and I'll click on export. So that's my short video ready. And that's it. Hope you like this video. Let me know in comments below if you would want to learn more about editing, and I'll make more detailed videos. Leave us a heads up if you found this helpful, and I will see you soon.